Alright y'all, I'm back with another video, and today I'm unboxing the Supreme chair. Now, to be honest with you, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. I'm disappointed in this chair. I feel like Supreme done scammed me or something like that. You're gonna see why. I'm a little heated. I'm a little mad, to be honest with you.
That's what you think!
Just to put it frankly, if you bought this chair from Walmart, you would open up the box, take a look at the quality, and be like, man, this thing's going back. It's that bad. Anyways, let's take a look what I copped, right?
Alright, so I just unboxed this thing right now, and I gotta be honest with you, man. I'm a little disappointed in Supreme. First off, this thing is filthy. It's got all kinds of dust. It looks like it was left outside or used or something like that. And I got a dent. I got a dent in my chair. I know everybody was saying that this thing isn't really red, it's more of an orange, and that's definitely true. But man, what's up with this paint job? Look at this. Look. Look. And if you see on my hand, if I touch this thing, dirt. In other places I touch it, red paint dust.
Alright, in this first clip you're gonna see the color contrast, the comparison between what red is supposed to look like and what they put on the chair. I don't know what they were thinking with this color right here. As you can see, it's definitely not red. It's blood orange. It's orange, not red. Alright, so here we have the chair in its full awesome glory, if you could say that. It could have been a really dope chair if they would just had a quality on point. The logo is embossed, so it's got that 3D effect. It's looking pretty dope, but as you can see, it's got scratches on the chair. There's scratches in all kinds of places. Just overall really disappointing that it's not brand new looking, even though it's brand new. I had to clean the thing up before I could even sit on it.
Look at this. Look at this. I'm wiping off the chair and there's just like red paint or orange red paint just coming off.
Alright, now we're looking at the welding, and welding looks pretty shoddy, man. These must have been the most lowest budget chairs, straight from China. I don't know what these are. Be careful with your hands, don't cut them. That's the welding. Hey, quality, right? Right, so there you have it. That is the Supreme chair, the blood orange, red orange chair that I had high hopes for. But what do I do with it now? This poses a funny question though. Imagine you're trying to sell this chair. You're selling the StockX. They opened up the package. Man, this thing's got dust on it. It's got scratches. It's got dents. It's not in the right color. It must be the right one because that's how they all coming from what I see. Straight garbage, right? That's gonna be interesting. What's gonna happen with resale? Because these things are kind of messed up. For real, they look like they had the Supreme employees in the back of a warehouse spray painting these things real quick. Spray paint dust flying everywhere. Box them up real quick. I mean, the quality is just terrible. Supreme, you need to do better. This is wrong. This is wrong. But hey, I guess that's what happens when you buy into the hype, right? Alright, well, I ain't gonna stop buying Supreme, to be honest with you. It's just disappointing, this one. But we got bigger and better things, broader adventures coming up. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Peace.